Hello everyone, back again with me, Miss Vani. Today we're going to learn about Unit 3 Material Changes, the subtopic 3.2 about mixing and separating solids. But first of all, we need to know about this one. Have you ever helped your moms or dad making something in the kitchen? Maybe they ask you to mix the flour and the sugar. We can call these two substances mixed together. Or maybe you can add another substance to mix together. And usually both of the substances they not chemically join, so you just mix it up. And since you only mix it up and those substances is not chemically joined, we can separate them. We call this as a mixture. The mixture can be made of solids. Like example on this picture, these are the berries. All of them are solids. They mix in one place. Or maybe, have you ever found a mixture of liquid? It's usually found it in drinks. You mix the juice, orange juice and apple juice together. That is also example of mixture. And the last one, do you know that the air also a mixture? The air contains three main gases. It's the mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. So there are three types of mixture. Mixture can be solid, liquid, or gas. These are depend on the particles that can mix. If the solid, remember the particle they closely pack together, while the liquid, the particle are loose, so they have some distance between the particles, while gases, the particle is far apart. And the mixture also can be, this is the example of mixture. This is pepper. There's red peppers, white pepper, and black pepper mixed together. The substance in mixture, they do not change when they are mixed together. We can say that they do not react with each other, so they just like that, the same substance. The difference is they mix together, but the substance itself do not change when they are mixed. We call it as, or we can say this as, the substance do not react with each other. And since the mixture is not chemically joined, so we can separate them. There are some ways how can we separating mixture. As an example, maybe during lunchtime, you like to eat only the meat or only the sausage, or you only like some food than the other. So what can you do to take the food? Usually you pick the food one by one if it is big and enough to your hand. But the question is, what if the substance is very small, or they have very small particles? Can you separate it by taking that one by one with your hand? Of course no. There is other way to separate it. This is the other way how you separating mixture, that the particles are really small. The first one we call as picking or sorting. We take the substance one by one. This is usually we do for the particle that big enough for our hands to take. So that is the best way to separating the mixture. And the second one we call as sieve or sieving. This is the method we use for separating substances that have very small particles. It's hard for us to take it or picking up one by one, so we use the help of the sieve. The bigger particles will left on the sieve, while the smaller particles can pass through the sieve here down here. So we can do the separation very fast. So these are the two ways how we separating mixture, but this works only for solids. Yes, so this is the best way to separating solid mixture. As you know, on the previous lesson, on the previous slide, you learned there are three types of mixture: solids, liquid, and gases. This method, picking and sieving, is work for solid mixture. And we have learned from this lesson that a mixture is made up of two or more different substances mixed together. The substances in a mixture do not react with one another. Some solids can be mixed and separated again by sorting and sieving. In this subtopic, you also learn some words. You learn about mixture. You also learn how to separate the mixture. And remember, the mixture, the substance, do not react with one another. And you also learn about picking or sorting, taking one by one with your hand, and also sieving, using sieve to separate smaller particles. That's all the lesson for today. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time. Bye everyone.